Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is going to be a mixed media art tag, and I'm starting here by creating a resist background. For this I'm using a Tim Holtz stencil and I'm sponging gesso through it using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. Once this has dried, it's going to resist the distress inks that I'm going to apply on top of it. The distress colours that I've chosen are Spiced Marmalade and Broken China. I apply these to my craft sheet, spritz them with water and then pick up the ink from there. Once I have several layers of ink on my tag, I'm using a baby wipe to remove the ink from the areas where the gesso is, and this will reveal the resist. Now I'm taking a second Tim Holtz stencil, this is a Harlequin pattern, and I'm applying the Broken China ink through this using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. Now I'm going to add some stamping to my project. I'm starting here with a crackle background. This is from Crafty Individuals. I'm stamping this all around the edges of the tag in cobalt blue, and then I'm going to select my main images. I choose a bird image from Lost Coast Designs and a text image from Tim Holtz. I stamp both of those using Archival ink. Now I've chosen a third stamp to add to my project. This one is by Carabelle Studio, and again I'm going to stamp using Archival ink in jet black. To make my designs stand out and to add a sheen or glazed finish to them, I've selected a black Jelly Roll glaze pen, and I'm going to go over both the text and the bird with this. The last part of today's project is to add some fibres. I've used a crocodile tool to punch a hole, and I'm just threading through some fibres that I found in my stash that coordinate with the colours on the tag. Well, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. There's the usual link to the full product list in the video description, as well as my social media sites.